Homework Ideas 2020. People often ask, what is the best home business to start? The answer is, the best home business is the one that meets the most requirements on your list. Make a list of the factors important to you, such as a good income, a flexible schedule, independence, work-life balance. 1. Dance instructor. Anyone with a background in dance and access to clients can offer dance classes from home. With this business idea, you get started either by setting up a studio in your home or renting a space. Or you can offer dance instruction virtually through video courses. Do the administrative work in your home. 2. Jewelry maker. People love custom jewelry. It meets their need to be different. There are many methods and supplies to create handmade jewelry, including precious metals, gems, beads and stones. Sell jewelry online, at craft shows or wholesale to retailers. Set up an online store to expose your business to even more customers. 3. Copywriter. Advertising and marketing companies are always looking for freelance copywriters to help with creative projects. Set up a home office with a computer. Then apply your marketing savvy to make money. Freelance writing is a home-based business that literally can be global, with clients across the world. 4. Clothing designer. As home business ideas go, there are plenty of opportunities for designers to create and sell their own clothing from home. Whether you stitch intricate gowns, create hand-painted scarves or design t-shirts, the opportunities for making money from home are almost endless. Many people are willing to pay for unique wearable art. If you have a passion for fashion, and need to make money, make this your business. 5. Ebook author. Are you an aspiring novelist? Prefer nonfiction writing? Anyone who enjoys freelance writing can turn it into a business as an ebook author. It's easier than ever to be a self-published ebook author. Amazon is one of the top places to sell an ebook, but there are other platforms also. 6. Massage therapist. Licensed massage therapists can set up studios in their own homes to meet with clients and offer their services, making it one of the better ideas for qualified individuals. 7. Interior designer. Interior designer is one of the best business ideas for anyone with a knack for style and design. Offer decorating services to businesses and homeowners. You do not need a physical location to offer this service. You can do much of the brainstorming and administrative work from home and visit clients on site. 8. Home staging business. Home staging is a service where you arrange furniture and other decorative elements for clients who need to sell or rent their homes. Work with real estate professionals who want to close sales, also. Ideas like this don't require a business office, just expertise. 9. Seller of collectibles. If you have an interest in antiques or collectibles, become a seller on eBay, Etsy, or niche communities. Build a home-based business around collectibles you love. You probably already collect such items, so you know where to find more products to sell. You also know the market prices to charge. Open an online store to showcase your products to a larger audience. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck.